What causes hair loss and what can we do about it? For more information, visit joeknowshair.com. Men and women have testosterone, and when this passes through the hair follicle, it may react with 5-alpha reductase, metabolizing into DHT, our culprit. A normal follicle has very few receptor sites for the DHT to bind, so the nutrients from the blood are free to circulate. But a follicle with more receptor sites are more prone to the DHT in the area to bind with these receptor sites. Nutrients from the blood will have trouble circulating through the hair follicle, and this is what causes hair thinning. A terminal hair will miniaturize into a smaller follicle, producing thinner hair, even becoming dormant for a few years, but eventually, if nothing is done about it, it will die, and nothing can be done to bring it back. But if they're still alive, there is some hope. With Kevis 8, no lifetime usage, no drugs, no surgery, and a two-part approach. With HSOR, the offense that eradicates DHT, and HUCP, the defense that seals in the receptor sites. The HSOR will come in and eradicate the DHT, freeing up these receptor sites for the HUCP to come in and seal them. This opens up circulation for all the vitamins, nutrients, and proteins from the blood to feed a normal follicle that produces normal, healthy hair. Kevis is available at joeknowshair.com.